Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video. Today I'm just bringing you, I've just been to the range with my friend and I'm just doing a quick video on everything I've bought so that I can then do some projects with them. So I've bought some more of these sparkles. They're £1 each, and some of my ladies who come to class really like them because we've been using them in class. So if they want these, they can have them. So they're really pretty, really sparkly, and you get, I don't know how many, but you get that many, you get lots. So that's cool. So that's for my ladies if they want it. I did buy this stencil. It's got these 5 in, and that was £1.99. The range is a bit of a mess. I go to the one near Tamworth with my friend, and everything, these are hanging up, and then they're somewhere else with no price on, and it's just gets on my nerves. Anyway, I like these stencils. These stencils are some, you know, some of the bits need pulling out, but you get 5 for £1.99, so you just have to do that. I'll show you my favourite. This one is my favourite. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Can't wait to use that one. And that one I like. And then there's that one. So 5 for £1.99 I think is really good. Really good price. I bought a unicorn sequin picture. My little son's daughter, my goddaughter, she loves unicorns, so she'll be able to play with that. So that's something else to add into her Christmas box. I then did buy some paper. I can't remember if this, I think this was £3.99, winter style. It's all single sheets, but it's all very pretty. See, that one's sparkly, well, shimmery. That one is as well, and that one. And some of these I won't use at Christmas. I'll use them like that one. I can use it for different classes. That one is Christmas, but it doesn't have to be. So that was really nice. So we'll use that. You get 24 sheets with 24 designs. So that's cool. So I really like that. Then I did buy one thing of felt, and I will do a video on what I wanted this for. That was, I think, 50p, so that was quite good. I bought this because I absolutely love it. I think it was like £1.99, and I am going to do a video on this. So you get a rose. That I've got a rose that's broken, look, but I don't care because I don't really want the rose. Yeah, I don't. So I absolutely love it. I don't like this bow. This bow will come off. Everything will come off apart from the glass. So I'm going to do a video. I can't wait. Oh, that smells. It's going in the bin. It's not nice at all. But I didn't want it for that. I think that was £1.99. I think. And I can't wait to do the video on that one. I bought 2 packs of these Christmas calendars because I need them for classes. We'll do some sort of calendar before Christmas so that people all have those. I don't know how much these were. They could have been £1 each, I think. And I bought these boxes. Not that I need any more boxes. I'm really lucky my daughter doesn't watch these because she'd. So I bought 4 of these this size. And then I bought 3 of this long size. Yeah. And the utility basket made in Britain, rectangle. So they didn't have any white ones of those, so I'd have bought them. And I'm going to do a video showing you what I'm doing with these. These were all £1 each. So they are amazing. They are so cool. I did buy this heart, wooden heart with that tea light in it. Not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I am going to do something. They're not amazingly made, but they're, I can't remember. I did I did grab the receipt at some point. I can't remember where I've put it now. I think it was about £2, maybe £2.50. It was cheap. It wasn't expensive. And I think I can do something that looks really good with that. And then, oh my goodness, I couldn't resist. I could not resist this cute little bag. They've got some that are a lot bigger that you'd be able, and they're like plastic. Doesn't say, but that's the sticker that comes with it. They are so cute. They are 7 inches by 4.5, maybe just less than 4.5, and I think that was £1.99. And the bigger ones were £2.99. Oh no, this could have been £1 actually. Yeah, this was £1. So I can't wait to play and do a video with this. I've got lots of videos now to make, because as much stuff as I've got in my craft room, I need to be making videos to make something. So that's my range haul. Go and visit it. I go to the one in Coventry by where I work, and that's awful, and I never find anything. When I go with my friend to the one near Tamworth, I always manage to spend. Today I spent, well, she charged me £29 something, and I got out to the car and I said to my friend, that's an awful lot of money for what I've got. And she charged me for a paper pad that I asked her the price, and she said £4, and I said, oh no, I don't want that, thank you. But she'd still added it to, so I went back in and they took it off. So I spent just over £25 today, and I think I've got some really good bargains, and I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do. So take care everybody, have a great day, bye.